Okay, now let's open the building interface to remember how we can do that with our keyboard with Control B. Okay, after I open this and I just create an object and if you remember, we talk about how to zoom in is with keyboard Alt key and use the magnifier to focus and then click your mouse left key and push the mouse forward and it will zoom. So if I will just make this view come back with ESC escape, and if now you think I want to zoom and then you click the Alt key and then you didn't really focus the object and then you just push the mouse, then you will not zoom to the place you want. So just put your mouse on the object that you want to see and click Alt key and click mouse left and then push your mouse forward and you will be zoom in. Okay, now I am on this object and in the general tab I can give this object a name like such as box, and in the description I will say maybe this is box 1 or something. And about the group part, this is maybe you think it's not important for now, but it's pretty important for the future that you will select which group you are creating this for. So in the future, you will be able to use this with a group or about the length too, where you can use that. So here are some other things that's very interesting, but we will not go into there for now. And now I will only talk about a little bit things like how to move the object, how to rotate the object, how to stretch the object. Okay, maybe you will think, yeah, it's everything is here. Why not I just click like move and then I use the X, Y, Z Excel and then I can move the object to anywhere I want. And in the rotate, I just select the rotate and then turn that in any Excel I would like. Then the stretch, I will just click there and I can make this bigger or smaller. I would suggest you that just try to use your keyboard because it will make you become very efficient, because it's take time to have your mouse come here and click and then have your mouse come back here. So because right after you create an object, it will select the move part, and if you want to rotate the object, just click on your keyboard control key and this little rotate orbit will come up, so you can just rotate like this. So how about it's the same thing. When you click Control and Alt, Control and Shift, Control and Shift, then you can stretch your object in any way you want. So actually this is pretty straightforward. Just try to remember Control and Control Shift. That's it. It will help you with your building time. It will really you don't need to come there and then do something else. So this is about the in the general building you will always use this kind of function, so just remember Control and Control Shift. If you forget, actually it's okay because you can just try out everything. And the Alt key is always for the magnifier to zoom. So Alt we already know is for zoom, Control is for rotate, Control and Shift is the stretch. Okay, now I will talk about the align. This is something pretty new for me, and I like it because in the past time when I maybe I have two different objects, then I would like to align them, but I just cannot do that. It's just so difficult. But here you got an option called align, and then you just select here and click. Maybe you see, if I click the red one, it will zoom to somewhere, and then if I click the green one, if now I click the blue one, it will just come together, hold together. So maybe I don't want this, so I will go back to move, and then just select one of them. Shift, if you only click on shift, it means select you can do multiple selection. So now I select the one of the box, and then I can hold my shift and click on another object. So now you have two selection. Another way of doing this is you can drag your mouse, and it will show like this and release. So this is pretty convenient. So if I want to align again, then I can do that. So I would like to, but aligns always work with multiple objects. So if you are using the you only select one and you try to align, yeah, of course it will not work. Where is that align with? So this is about align. Okay, always remember to choose back to the move, because this is what we normally do. Okay, the next thing I gonna say in this tutorial is about link, because maybe in the future you will have you will create a building. Maybe it will use 20 prims, and maybe you want to move this maybe 10 meters far from here. How are you going to do that? Every time select all of them, and then when you click somewhere else they become independent ones. It's just too inconvenient. So we can select this, select two objects together, and then click on link. If you unlink them, you can just click on link. It's very straightforward, link and unlink. And you can also edit the link part and just select one of that, and maybe go to the object part. You can even change the shape. There's no problem with that. So this is how we can do these things with the link. There is a quick key, a fast key on the keyboard too. Is Control L is link, Control Shift on link. So now I'm clicking on Control Shift L. So you will see two objects, each of them got the yellow outline. That means they are independent. When they are linked, they will have the blue outline, and only one of them will have the yellow outline. Yeah, and when I want to link, I just click on Control L, and as you can see, they are linked. So this is the very basic about how to build in the OpenSCENE. Okay, I will in next tutorial.